EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, March 16th and 17th, 2024. It is St. Patrick's Day weekend, and the weekend video forecast is proudly sponsored by LH Zimmerman Lawn and Garden in Ephrata, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. LH Zimmerman Lawn and Garden is your one-stop shop for outdoor power equipment. With spring arriving next week, you may be in need of a new lawnmower, blower, or trimmer. They carry a full line of top-quality consumer and commercial mowers from Bad Boy and Ariens. For your handheld needs, they carry Echo and Greenworks gas and battery equipment. Stop into their location at 730 Glenwood Drive in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, and mention you saw this ad on EPAWA to receive $150 off the purchase of any new zero-turn mower. Offer will expire April 30th, 2024. They are LH Zimmerman Lawn and Garden in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, proud sponsors of the weekend video forecast. So we have a very nice day today with a mix of sun and clouds. I will say more sun than clouds, though, today. You might have a little bit of clouds in the morning here with to start off the day and maybe some areas of fog, but then we'll have mostly sunny skies after that point, partly to mostly sunny skies after that point. Highs will be on either side of 60 degrees today. You see above me 56 to 63 is a spread, so it's a very nice day here on your Saturday for a change. We're not dealing with rain for a change on a Saturday, which has been a common theme of late. As we get into Sunday, also looking at intervals of clouds and sun, 52 to 63, not quite as high in the interior as it will be in our southeastern areas. And that's because we have a cold front that's going to be moving through on Sunday. But ahead of that, there will be a few showers, mainly across our far northern areas, north of I-78. As we get over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting this off at midnight tonight. We see where the cold front is and is moving to the south and east. It's going to start to dissipate as the further southeast it goes. So it looks like it's just across north central, northeast PA, a few showers, rain showers, as this goes into very early Sunday morning. This is 7 a.m., and then after that point, it pretty much dissipates, and then clouds will give way to sun after that point. It becomes breezy in the afternoon in the wake of that as cold air advection starts coming into the region. Now, we will be... again, the interior is going to feel the effects of the cold air advection a little bit faster, so you're going to be limited in the upside as far as how warm it gets. So you'll generally be in the 50s for highs, low to mid 50s in many of the interior locations. Once you get far southeast, where the front is going to take longer to get through, like down by southeast of I-95, Philadelphia Point southeast, you're looking at temperatures that are going to be 60 or above, okay? But we will turn breezy in the afternoon in the wake of this front, and we're going to expect some wind gusts that are commonly in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range on Sunday afternoon, and there could be some peak gusts. This is a peak gust map that is showing the highest wind potential here with some gusts in the lower 30s during the afternoon on Sunday. So it'll definitely be escorted in. The cold air will be escorted in by these winds, and it's going to remain breezy on Monday and Tuesday, just not quite as windy. We're looking at Monday and Tuesday being 10 to 15, gusting to 25. Okay, so breezy days, chillier days, but we are looking at dry conditions throughout much of the upcoming week until we get to the end of the week. So this trough will settle in. Here's that deep trough settling in for Monday. You can see that's here very well established at this point with the jet stream. So this is all colder air working into the region, and we have highs on Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday actually is going to be the colder of the 2 days, but we're looking at highs on either side of the middle 40s. So this is not, when I say cold, it's of course relative to average. Average highs are now in the lower 50s for most areas. So this is certainly colder than it should be for this time of year. But it is a transient shot of cold. So it looks like the coldest day is going to be Tuesday. We have a disturbance that might move through here on Tuesday night, might touch off a few snow showers. Again, in those same areas, they're going to get showers overnight tonight into very early Sunday morning. This is going to be in the form of snow showers, though, and it could be a few snow showers across the far northern tier of Pennsylvania with this disturbance as it moves through, and it's just going to be mostly cloudy elsewhere. We're probably not seeing anything in the way of snowfall at all. Okay, and then again, Tuesday is going to be the coldest day of this current snap, and then we start to moderate in the wake of this a little bit on Wednesday with temperatures getting back in the upper 40s, and then we keep going into the lower 50s by the time we get to Thursday of this week with mostly sunny skies, and we keep going even warmer than that as we get toward the end of the week. Now, there's still some timing differences with this. In our local forecasts, we do have the chance for showers coming in already on Friday, and that's because the GFS is a little bit faster with this. We'll take a look at the timing of this, but there's a big, on the European model anyway, there's a big sprawling area of high pressure that's above the top here. This is all big high pressure sitting here. So it's blocking the advancement of how fast this system comes in, but it does bring it in next weekend, unfortunately, where you have some showers moving in at some point next weekend. The GFS, again, has it a little bit faster, so we're going to work on timing of this and see what we're dealing with as we get into next week. Right now, it's just something to kind of keep a heads up about and just keep in the back of your mind if you're making plans for next weekend. But, right now there is a system there that we outlined in the long-range outlook that I did yesterday. But we could come in as early as Friday or as late as Sunday. There's a lot of timing differences there, but a lot of that has to do with the synoptic setup ahead of it, and what's slowing it down is that high pressure in place. So we'll see what this does. It does look like it's going to be rain, though. We're not going to be dealing with any snow at that point, but it does cool down. It looks like in that 23rd to 25th time frame, again, relative to average, not cold, but relative to average at that time, which of course is going to be higher than what it is right now. I'm EPA AWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, March 17th, 16th, and 17th, 2024. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.